What is up, traders? Welcome back to Daily Recap. Today was a very frustrating morning for me. One win, one loss. We'll talk about this win when we get there. But as you can see, this morning we had CPI numbers come out and push the market up, and now we're pretty much taking it all the way back. And that's pretty much what usually happens. Market spikes up, and then we have some news, and then we just take it all back. And my first opportunity to trade, which I was trying to trade, I did not get filled. Story of my life. And basically a break new low in place, and you have another trend working up, break new high in place as well. Plenty of room to the EMA, second entry short, all that good stuff. Great signal bar, and of course I don't get filled because it is what it is, right? So that was a little unfortunate, but then, I waited for the market to open. I saw this channel as a break, as basically a spike in the channel, a little bit of congestion here, and I had this bigger trend line in play, and you can clearly see that this price respecting that channel really nicely, and then it kind of continued here as well. And we get a failed second entry short, and guess what? I guess topped out by one tick. Would you believe it? And and this trade really messed me up. Okay, my psychology just went off, and again, I just hate losing to stupid, and again, I don't think I made a mistake here. I think I played it right. Yeah, it's a little bit congested here, but given the context and overall, trend and stuff like that, I think. And again, I guessed the price correctly. I guess it's gonna go up, and it did exactly what I thought it was gonna do, but it stopped me out by one tick, and that made me very angry. And you don't want to be emotional when you trade in the market. But you know what? I said to myself, look, it is what it is. These things will happen. It will continue to happen. So I need to learn to deal with it, and just let's refocus and just focus on the price chart, focus on the price, and just read the price and tells you where it's going. So the idea behind this trade was I thought it was going to test its highs, maybe, right? Because I thought we still had a bullish imbalance, right? Now when I saw this price action here, and I saw that we barely broke this high, and we can't even make it to this high, and then I looked at a 10K, we can clearly see that there's somewhat of a downtrend. The market's making lower highs, lower high, lower high. So then I was like, okay, something is changing here, right? Something's happening. So then I saw this failed signature long, and I took it. Obviously break, and well, you don't get a new high, but if you were to play, here, let me show you. If you're just to play this channel here like this, you're gonna break a new high, right? So that's what I saw, and I was like, you know what, I like the price action here. I like how we reacted, right? I love these failures. This is what I usually like to see when I'm trading failures. You can see the price ticked higher and then reversed, close below the EMA, instant reaction. Love it. I'm in the trade, and I left my computer, and I left. I was like, you know what happens. I can't control anything except my stop loss, right? And I just walked away, and I got my one-to-one trade. Basically made the losses back, and then I'm up $34 on a day. Now, so I was like, okay, I'm happy with this trade. I like this. And then I saw this price action here. Now this triple test here, I wasn't really convinced just because of the congestion here and a flat EMA, so I skipped it. But you also get a lower high here, which I don't even know why I didn't trade it. It's a textbook setup in my opinion. You can clearly see it supports the trend line here. There's a second entry short here as well, which you could probably trade that, but the way I saw this, it is a trend line, but you do get a break a new low of this smaller channel, right? So I was a little hesitant to trade it here. 1-to-1, I don't know if I would take a 1-to-1. Probably would just do a scalp, but it did work, and then some. So when I saw this bigger channel, I said, okay, maybe you have a bigger move coming down. There's a triple test here, and I would not trade this just because this is a huge down move. But then I saw these two that I missed, and I said, you know what, I am done. Because these two are like the most perfect setups. I mean, this is textbook price action traders setups here. New high for entry long, entry long failure. New low for entry short, entry short. Lower high confirms the failure. I mean, this is a perfect two setups, and I missed them. And after this, I was like, I am done. I'll take my $34 and I'll come back tomorrow, because this is pretty much nail in the coffin right here for me. Yeah. So hopefully tomorrow is gonna be a better day. Like I said, I learned that when I'm in this state of mind, I don't trade really well, especially with this one tick BS here. So yeah, I'm just glad I can make this money back and then some. So positive in the day, that's a good thing. Now also, I could have trailed this trade, but the point of this exercise, the point of this 1-to-1 is just to do that 1-to-1, and I want to stick with that. I don't want to change my rules. I don't want to change my plan. 1-to-1 is where I'm at. That's where I'm happy with. Now, eventually, yes, I do want to trail these trades as I, get more comfortable with 1-to-1s. But for now, the point is just doing 1-to-1, nothing else. So yeah, I mean, technically, you could have trailed this trade as well. You could have trailed this one. You could have just, I could have just set it and forget it. Could have just entered here and then come back, an hour later and then get out here. But that's not the point. The point is 1-to-1. That's my rules. So stick to your rules. But yeah, lesson learned. I'm not in a state of mind to be trading right now, so I am calling it a day. Price action is going sideways anyways. There's Chop City here. So green day is a green day. $10 or $100, I'll take it. So thanks for watching, and hopefully tomorrow is gonna be a better day for me. Hopefully your day was in the green, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.